dear, here's Sally, and today we are doing a really soft and tender yoga on the bed. Make it as comfortable as you can today. You can also practice on the mat. Use a lot of pillows or blankets, whatever you have around. And we start in the child pose. So grab a blanket or a big pillow. Your big toes are touching each other, the knees are open, and it's important that your belly is really on the pillow. So if it's not, take another one. And then slowly come down. Release your head. The arms are to the side. And really think into your child pose, into your Balasana. Dive inside. How do you feel? Is there any pain in your lower back, in your lower belly? Whatever is there, just be aware. Take a few breaths and deepen them. Slowly change your head to the other side and really feel inside. Inhale, feel it, and exhale. Try to release, to already let here go whatever needs to let go now. Inhale, be aware. Exhale, release. Take a deep breath here, and then slowly with the inhale, roll out, put the pillows away, and find your way to lie on your bed. The feet are far away, and place your hands on your lower abdomen and inhale here. Your whole awareness is in your lower belly, your lower back, in your ovaries, your whole inner organs, everything where you can feel yourself in this area. Really try to release with your awareness too. So use your breath. Inhale, be aware. Exhale, release. And then come with the feet close to your buttocks. The knees can either touch or can slowly stay open. And then we want to tilt the pelvis. So inhale, tilt it a little bit up, closer to your navel. Exhale down 10 times. Your hands can be on the side, or if you need them, keep them on your lower belly. Whatever feels good for you. Follow your intuition. release the legs. And just feel. What happened inside? Was just a small movement, but it can have such a big impact. So what are you feeling right now? Slowly bring your feet back, and now we want to circle with the pelvis like the lying 8 or the symbol of endlessness. Left hip up, left hip down, right hip up, right hip down. Your lying 8. 10 times. Finding your rhythm. And whenever you're finished, relax the feet again and feel what happened. The feeling you want to do one of those exercises more often, then do it. And always afterwards relax and feel what happened. And if you're ready for the next exercise, then slowly turn onto your belly and come into your Sphinx. Elbows are under the shoulder. Put right leg back, the left leg back and down. And open your chest to the front. Your head is ease in line with your spine. Take a deep inhale. And bring your awareness with the inhale directly into your ovaries, to your lower belly, or wherever you feel your period. 10 breaths. Inhale, feel it. Exhale, relax. Whenever you're finished, release your pelvis. And then start to lift your right leg. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg. Exhale down. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, down. One round. We want to do 5. Inhale, right leg. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, both legs. Exhale, down. If it feels more comfortable, you can put the arms to the side and your chin is touching the mat. Keep the flow. And think not of the height, think of the length. Really lengthening, stretching your whole inner organs. Good job. And then release, make a pillow with your hands. Release release your pelvis. And come into your Sphinx again. Maybe you feel a difference right now. Maybe not. But whatever you feel, stay focused in your inner area. Your ovaries, maybe your lower back, wherever you feel it right now. How can you release a little bit more? Slowly release the Sphinx. And we want to come into the Supta Baddha Konasana, the lying butterfly. So take a big bolster or pillow and it's on your lower back, like your hips are not sitting on it. Your sole of the feet are touching and your knees are slowly opening to the side. And really protect them here with a blanket or pillow, so it's easy to open your hips. Make it as comfortable as you can. Relax the arms to the side. Leave them on your lower belly. We want to keep this pose 3 minutes to really open and to release. Your chest is slightly open. Your hips are open and your whole awareness is in your ovaries and wherever you need your awareness to be. Stay focused. And if your thoughts take you away, let them pass and come back. Stay really focused. Your whole awareness is inside. Your breath keeps you right here where you need to be. Totally focused. Take a deep breath more here. Exhale. Release deeper into the pillow. Slowly stretch your legs. Remove eyebrows from the side. To let your belly really relax, just roll to the left or right side. Put the pillows or bolster behind your back, your waist, and find your Shavasana. Feel your back. Feel the difference right now. Everything is good and has to happen how it will happen. Take a few more breaths here. And then roll onto your favorite side. And feel your body here. Relax into the ground for a few breaths. Feel the satisfaction. Feel the happiness. Feel the pleasure inside. With the support of your upper arm, come to your sitting position. Arrive here. How do you feel now? Thank you so much for sharing this time to listen to your body. Namaste. See you again.